Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Okay, today I will show how to use the draft command in Solidworks software. Before starting this drawing, I am selecting the units. I am selecting MMGS units. Then go to the top plane. Then Control 8. Go to the sketch and select the center rectangle and draw the center rectangle. Then go to the dimension, smart dimension, and the length will be 50 millimeter and the width will be 30 millimeter. Then close the drawing, go to the features and select the extrude, click on this side and the height will be 25 millimeter. Okay, done. The drawing is done. Then go to the insert and then go to the features, select the draft and the angle will be 20 degree and select this page and this page, then this page, then apply. Okay, the drafted shape is done. Thank you everybody for watching this video and thanks also for your cooperation.